Another great feature they added to Web Access 20.3 is the ability to rotate and save a document that is saved in a batch. And that's an unusual feature because before you just had to allow however the documents came into the batch to be the way they show up in AX. I will upload a batch to my application. I'll call this batch Rotate, and I'll leave it as public just for demonstration purposes. I will add a page to this batch, which I happen to know is rotated, like might happen when documents are scanned and saved in that orientation. Now that I have this page in the batch, that batch is here and the page is in a rotated orientation. If I open the batch back up, I can use this option here to rotate 90 degrees clockwise and save. It's all done in one action. In that one click, if I come back out of the batch and then I enter the batch again, I'll notice that the document is saved in the orientation that I chose from this menu. Another enhancement for Web Access has to do with the query result list as well. Exporting of the documents into PDF format. In this case, I can select multiple documents, which I can see are not PDF format from the description of them. Once I have selected these and I choose Export and then Export Selected Documents, if I select Document Contents, I have the option of selecting Use PDF Format. When I export these, I'll end up with a zip file. And when I open that zip file, I can see that there's a PDF version of each of the documents alongside the original. I think this is a great enhancement. Another amazing feature which has been added to Web Access 20.3 is the ability to open secured PDFs. So I have uploaded a PDF which is password protected. In the past with Web Access, if you were dealing with a PDF that had a password, you couldn't open that document. Now, Web Access can prompt for the password and handle the opening of that PDF. A great feature. The next feature in Web Access I'll show you is the ability to inspect a PDF file on import, as well as decrypt a PDF file on import. Those options are under User Settings. When you click on the user in the upper right, the user setting we're looking for is import, so we expand that and see at the bottom here we have these new options to inspect PDF file and decrypt PDF file. So when I save these options, from this point forward, all PDFs will be inspected when imported. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching.